Hello, check out this sample provided by Hoci Poci. So it is a line spiral journal. It's also like a diary or like a notebook for men and women. It's 140 pages. And then it has nice features like, for example, you can close it. Um, it has here pockets for you to put papers inside. So that's very interesting. It has a pocket here that you can put in bookmarks or uh, put paper here. So it has the pretty design of a flower, it's lined. And also here you can detach the page if you need to. So it has it here. And I like it, it's very nice, it's very pretty. This is a sage green color. And you can use it for college, taking notes, taking notes while reading a book. And I hope you like it. Check them out. They have different colors. Thank you for watching.